$7 every hour just by copying the content from ChatGPT and paste it into Quora platform. Do you know about Quora? If you know about Quora, you can comment down under this video. And if you have no clue what Quora is, I'm gonna tell you how you can earn $7 every hour just by copying the content from ChatGPT and pasting into Quora. Now, before I dive into this video, let me tell you what Quora is. So, Quora is a platform where people are asking multiple questions around whatever they want to ask, and then there are people who are answering to those queries as well. For example, like, what is your biggest regret in life? And then so many people have commented under this, what horrible thing you read today shocked you? And then you can see that so many people have commented under this. Similarly, people are asking questions around how to lose weight. So if I just type how to lose weight, then I get so many questions. What are good ways to lose weight fast? What is the easiest way to lose weight? How should I lose weight? How do I motivate myself to lose weight? Now let's go ahead to this question, and then you will be able to see that there are 100 plus answer to this question. How do I motivate myself to lose weight? That means that there are so many people who want to lose weight, but they have no motivation to lose weight, right? Now, what you need to do in order to earn $7 every hour, all you have to do is you have to write down the question on the chat GPT or on DeepSeek, and then you have to ask it to write down the answer for the same query, right? This is what you have to do, but there's a twist. You have to include your affiliate link so that the person who is reading your answer, if they find your affiliate link useful, then they might click on it and you will get paid commission for it. This is how simple it is. But how do you get affiliate link? So if you go on Amazon and then you search herbal lose weight, right? And then you will be able to see there are so many products available now in the herbal category. You can choose any one of them, but before you choose randomly, like, always look at the how many people have given the review and how many sales have been done. So I can see that, like, this has got 4 to 7 8 reviews and they have like 3.5 star, which is not that bad. But you can always look at some other category. For example, like, this has got 2 to 6 reviews with a 4 star, right? So if you pick this one, then you go into this section called Amazon affiliate program, and then you apply under this Amazon affiliate program. Once you join the Amazon affiliate program, then whosoever will buy the product from your link, you will get paid for it, right? Then what you have to do, you have to come back to Quora, then you have to decide which question you want to answer. Then go to ChatGPT and ask it to write the answer for the question that you have selected on Quora, and then ask it to include soft CTA where you will be selling your affiliate link. After giving this exact prompt, it has given me the content, and you can see in the middle of the content right over here, if you are looking for effective science backed options, I've listed some of my go to picks here. And then over here, I can add my affiliate link. The person who will be reading this, they will be like, oh, a new user or a general user has written this content, and he is recommending on the basis of his experience. And that is where he will get landed on this product with your affiliate link. And if he prefers to buy this product with your affiliate link, you will get 5 to 10% commission of the price for which he bought the product. So this product is for 1000 rupees, right? 5 to 10% is somewhere around 50 to 100 rupees is your commission. Now just imagine if you get 1000 views on your answer, and out of 1000 people, 10% people like prefers to buy from your affiliate link. That means 10% of 1000 is 100 people, and you are earning somewhere around 100 rupees. So 100 into 100, that means now you will be making somewhere around 10,000 INR just by one question. And if you have done, and if you have answered a lot many questions, then there are high chances that you will be able to make extra amount of money within no time. So this is how you can make money with the help of Quora platform. All you have to do is select the right question, and the question that people have generally asked in the groups always. For example, like, there is this question that I got. I'm 55 years old, retired, based out of Bengaluru, have 1.5 CR to invest and need to create an income of 50,000 to 7,000 per month. Please suggest a suitable plan. Now, you can ask ChatGPT to write a answer on the basis of the figures that he has provided, plus like be biased towards the gold investment. And then what you can do, you can apply for the gold investment program, gold investment affiliate program, and then you can see which of the websites provides you the gold investment opportunities, and then you can apply for their affiliate programs, right? But make sure that you do your own research before applying to any affiliate program, because you have to identify whether that affiliate program will pay money to you or not, right? So be very choosy in selecting the affiliate partner. And once you have decided the affiliate partner, then just like write the answer with the help of chat gpt, and then go to Quora on the same question, and then give your answer. And if that person prefers to buy with your affiliate link, then boom, you will be able to get your affiliate commission just for giving your answer. That is how people are earning money via copy pasting method, where they are copying the content from ChatGPT or from DeepSeek and then pasting it on Quora platform. If you are still unsure how to use Quora platform, how to write content, then comment down under this video and I will be creating another video for you guys in the detailed format.